asleep. A distant train is calling from 1.5 miles deep. It wails across the silence like a long forgotten friend. Wakes something warm inside me that time can't ever end. The wind moves through the branches in a slow and easy sway, whispering soft secrets that only night can say. A mourning dove is cooing from the cedar on the hill. Evening's gentle closing and my heart is standing still. This is my private symphony, no ticket and no crowd, just the sounds that find me when the day is settled down. Robin in the morning, cicadas humming high, my wife's gentle snoring, lying soft here by my side. These are the notes that hold me, the music no one buys. My private symphony under midnight skies. Spring wakes up the robin with his bright and cheerful song. First light on the rooftop, pulling me along. Summer brings the cicadas in a shimmering tree choir. A heat wave rhythm rising like a slow and steady fire. And when the night is deepest, there's a breath beside my own, a quiet little rumble from the one who calls me home. Her snore's my softest lullaby, no orchestra could play. Tells me I'm not lonely at the ending of the day. No concert hall could hold this, no spotlight understands. It lives in whispers, wings, and breaths from loving hands. Just ordinary miracles the hurried world ignores, but they're the truest music I've ever held as yours. This is my private symphony, no ticket and no crowd, just the sounds that